guys, let's solve the today Leetcode questions together. So same like the today question is consequence of the yesterday question. Find the k character string. I think yesterday we have solved the one question is related to the same one like this. So that is what we solved yesterday. So I think today's question is also quite similar to yesterday. The only difference is we have an extra operation. So if the operation is 0, we just need to append the same characters again. If the operation is 1, we have to increment all the ASCII numbers. But here is a catch. Let's draw something. So the catch is, let's say I want the phi of the k. Let's say if the strings values are so much operation, according to this, the k value can be the 10 power 14th. So we can have like buffer overflows in the memory. So in that case, we can consider the reverser wheels to solve the issue. So how to do the reverse? So if the operation have a duplicate and then the both have it, mean that we can consider like the both half are identical. If the operation was a shift, the second half is shift version of the first half. So we need to figure out like which operation create the current position by using the power of 2. So before that, we can narrow down by getting the log 2. Okay, let's try to code a little bit. This is also the new problem for me. I think we may need the sun basis index for us to debug, but not sure what is it. After that, what we need to do is I try to tell the position. Alright, let's call the variable as the position to the k. That we may need to calculate the shift count. So instead of like changing the character every time, we will keep the integers number only. So in that case, we will check like while position is more than 1, so we'll make it true. So we need to speculate the layers by layers. What I mean is the layer mean like layer is the operation in here. Like operation 1, 2, 3 in 0 index 1, 1 index and 2 index. Okay, let's check at the layer, which will be the log 2 of the position will be -1. So for the log, we have to get the floor of the log, and then we need the integer value for that. Okay, let's do it for now. And we also need the power, since we need to calculate the power of, so since it's a log 2 is a base 2, so we need the layer in here, and then we can print out the, let me think about it how to do next. Since we got the powers and we got the layer, so the next step we need to do is we need to speculate what we need to calculate for it. I think instead of using the a star variable, I can directly minus from the position. So we should also save the one variable for me, and then if our operation is in the inside of the layer, and then if it is 1, what we need to do is generate the new string. So we will do like shift count is 1. So instead of calculating everything, we only need to calculate only the specific part that need to be redone. I think that's pretty much of it. So we can convert back to the character in here. Scalar shift down. Wait, this is okay. I think we need to get the modulo of the 26 since there's a 26 character in the alphabet A to Z, then plus 97. So 97 is a in the ASCII character as I show in the yesterday videos, and then we can pass 6 back as a character. Let's see if it's work or not. Oops, there is some error in here. Character Unique Scala. Oh, I'm silly me, missed the 1, 2, 3. Let's try. Oh, okay. I think today is not my day. Making a lot of mistake. Alright. I think okay, nice. So for the space complexity, since we don't use any other extra variable, we can consider like O of 1. But for the time complexity, it will be O of log k. So k is a k characters, how much we need to consider. I think that's pretty much for it, and it's pretty late. Have a good day. Bye.